Just a couple of words, if I may. I know you've been sat here for a little while. Firstly, just massive thank you to Cardiff University. Just want to say a huge thanks. I've grown up in Cardiff my whole life. It's been 26 years, and tough paper round is what a lot of you are probably thinking. And it's just so flattering to be awarded an honorary fellowship from such a prestigious university. And secondly, I'd just like to congratulate all of you guys. My brother was actually in the same ceremony 5 years ago, graduating as a physiotherapist. So I understand. Yeah. Big up the physios, and he works with me now at Cardiff Blues, which is great. So I understand the sacrifices and the hard work it takes to graduate from a university such as Cardiff. So most importantly, congratulations to all you guys, and I hope you enjoy your evening, and thank you very much.